Me and my son Dylan, we are restoring this old Willcox and Gibbs sewing machine, probably in the early 1900s. Right now, we finished staining it. We took the old surface off, and now we're putting it back together. It did have these old rusty metal corners. Just bringing in the light so they can see it better. Okay, let's go over here. It has these old rusty corners here that I have in one hand, and what we did is we took and sandblasted it and put some primer on it and repainted it. And these are all original. These are actually little tacks here also that tacks it on here. So we pulled them off and refinished those two and polished them. So that's what we're going to do today, is just put this box back together and see what it looks like when it's complete. And this is all brass here, handle, and we have got done polishing that too today. So we're going to go ahead and finish putting these corners on today. But first, I want to go ahead and put the latch on. But that's what we're doing right now. We're going to put the latch on. So these are the latches right here. As you can see, this is the fold down latch. We also sandblasted that. And this has got the part on the bottom, says pressed on the bottom, it's got the key. And we also did the hinges. So what I wanted to do is take these, I believe they're rusted, but I believe these are solid brass. And I'm going to show you how to clean these screws up. So Dylan, follow me and we'll get started with that. Excuse the mess here. So we're going to take and clean them up by doing this easy and fast little trick. I'm going to take and use a power drill. And all you do is take the screws and insert the pointy end inside of the chuck to thread it in. Now don't tighten it down real tight because you don't want to ruin your threads. And then we're going to take a piece of emery cloth. We're going to probably use 180 grit. All you have to do is peel you up a little piece of emery cloth. 180. Lay it down flat on your surface. Take your drill. Just let it do the work. There it is. Polished to a good shine. And if you look at the drill, now you should always wear your safety glasses. So that's important. Make sure you wear those. It still has a little bit on the edge, so we're just going to hit a little more. There it is. It's nice and polished now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do all these.